We are in the kitchen today making one of my favorite recipes. I'm with Serena from Bob's Red Mill. I'm Lindsay from Cotter Crunch. We're making mug cakes. You can make them in a mug, obviously, microwave. Also, you can use these little ramekins. It's a really easy recipe. We're gonna make it today with the protein powder. You can also make it with the cassava, and I've also tested it out with the oat flour. All you need are your flour, so one of these, just pick them like probably 1/4 of a cup, milk. You need some oil, melted baking powder. I'm also gonna use vanilla, and then I'm gonna add in some chocolate chips. So it's kind of be like a chocolate chip mug cake with proteins, which is great if you want to eat it for breakfast. You can also have it for what she likes, is the midnight snacks.
Yeah. Don't tell.
Of course, any flavor. But also, here's my other little trick, which I love. When you have guests over for dinner and someone has a major allergy, but you want to make a dessert for them, you can bake this in the oven and make them a little cake that's allergy friendly.
Actually a fantastic idea, yeah.
So I do that as well. We're gonna show you how to make it in the microwave the quickest way, but again, you can use the oven, and we will give those recipes on my site as well. Any other tips? What's your favorite?
No, but I love that I can have cake for breakfast. I'm all in on that. Let's do that.
Any flavor.
I love it.
You got it.